Okay, another little soundscape recording place to make. We're walking through Central Park and we found like a little trance party going on. I don't know, a lot of people probably won't like this like amplified music going on in the park, but I don't know, I think it's pretty good. We're not actually going in because it's 75 bucks, but because I love sound around you, the sound around me, I'm going to make a soundscape recording and put it up onto the site. Okay, so flip the phone and take a recording. Alright, that's going up on the map.